Avoiding puddles and deep water in your car. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about a common driving situation that can cause a lot of problems, driving through puddles and deep water. Trust me, it's not worth the risk. Body hydrolocking. When you drive through deep water, water can be sucked into your engine's intake. This can cause the engine to lock up, which means expensive repairs or even a replacement. Electrical system damage. Water can seep into electrical components, causing short circuits and damaging sensitive electronics. Brakes. Water can reduce the effectiveness of your brakes, making it harder to stop your car. In extreme cases, it can cause complete brake failure. Suspension damage. The force of water can damage the suspension components, leading to a rougher ride and potential instability. Interior damage. Water can seep into the interior of your car, damaging upholstery, carpets, and electronics. It can also create a breeding ground for mold and mildew. Safety risks. Water can obscure your view, making it difficult to see other drivers or obstacles. Driving through deep water can cause your car to hydroplane, leading to loss of control and potential accidents. So there you have it, folks. Driving through puddles and deep water is a big no-no. It can cause serious damage to your car and put your safety at risk. Always avoid these situations whenever possible. If you have any questions or want to share your own experiences, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more driving tips. Thanks for watching.